Klavs. I'm your inspector. They're inspecting this Jaguar E-Type. It's asking price £75,000. It's been sold on consignment basis. Obviously, as you can see, the vehicle looks nice, right? Let's just dive into bodywork. Both doors don't open properly. I have to open it from inside. This door has significant gap. It needs further investigation to see if it will align properly, or it's unless been incorrectly installed, right? Regards to convertible roof, some age deterioration. That side is not lining up properly, and the locks for the roof, they're just dropping down. So here's significant gap. This adjuster is adjusted to the maximum, so it doesn't hold. So there's a gap here. So there can be something to do with the alignment issues. It needs further investigation. Bodywork. General areas around 500 microns. There's significant fillers on both sides on certain areas. Visible resprays recent on filler marks, imperfections. Issues with the on a clear coat. Yeah, that's visible. This side is better sprayed, but however, like I said, there are on a patches significant fillers and like here on certain areas, and here and here. So which are on some areas exceeding more than 1.5 millimeters, which is not good. Regards to interior, front left footwell, floor surface corrosion developing where the brake booster is mounted. The handle is missing. There's like a compartment under the carpet again. Surface corrosion developing both sides. With the lights, none of the lights working. Fuel gauge is not working. None of the panel lights are working. You know, so the bodywork is sort of very average. They should have started with the inside and do the proper bodywork restoration from inside. So obviously, at 2017, there's no service history whatsoever. From 2017, they spent like 20 grand and they've been renovating something to get probably more. It's basically it's been renovated to the usable condition as there has been some MOT issues. Again, on a bodywork on the engine bay area, corrosion. They sprayed it. The more likely on that side, the black spray drops off. There will be some corrosion. Excessive corrosion inside the coolant expansion tank area. Weeping rocker covers. It started to overheat, and I stopped the inspection. Front suspension is fair. Most of the dust covers are split, would need replacing. Front right top ball joint, excessive play. This so far got to the suspension. So I stopped in this inspection. As you can see, the wiper blades. The vehicle is not of satisfactory quality. It needs repairs. It needs also servicing. There's a few coolant pipe marks around previous leaks on it. Engine is being replaced twice in its lifetime, in my opinion, as there is a main number which doesn't correspond with the logbook, and that logbook engine number doesn't correspond with the engine number which is currently inside. Basically, that's what I found with the vehicle, you know. So currently, obviously, the vehicle is not sales ready. I'm stopping this inspection, and if you wish to proceed, they can get all things rectified, and I can come back again and re-inspect it sort of further. Regards to surface corrosion, obviously there are a few areas where it develops. As you can see, this section it is sort of peeling off as you touch it, you know. There will be some surface corrosion there due to moisture. Again, these sections here, some surface corrosion, probably that will be acceptable for the sort of lower price E-Type. Obviously interior visually it looks good. There's radio arrows not working, cigarette lighter is not working again, you know, so it needs loads of sort of tidying up. Again, spending some money, so if I would be you, I would be reconsidering this vehicle in general. We'll talk on the phone more. Thank you, thanks for using us.